What's up guys, I'm from Techsource and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. And before I jump in, I do want to take this time and plug in my website, Techsource.tech. If you guys are planning on paying full price for your next tech purchase, I'm here to tell you, stop. Why would you pay full price? That's what Techsource.tech is about. We have 6 total ambassadors searching websites like Amazon, Newegg, and eBay, and we are constantly finding the best deals and we're posting it on Techsource.tech just so it's all in one place and it's easier for you guys to shop around and save money. So either bookmark it or check back once in a while. Maybe that keyboard or that monitor TV is finally on sale and we managed to find it and post it on Techsource.tech for you to find. We do have US, UK, Canada, and Germany deals updated every single day. Anyways, with that said, let's go ahead and unbox some tech, shall we? We can start off with this long box because I do love long things. What? Sometimes my jokes just make no sense. What could possibly be in this box? Oh, okay. We got some more PETG tubes. Oh, so this is from EK. Okay, I think I remember what these are. So these are the water blocks for my 1080 Ti. The reason why they sent me these, actually let me open this up real quick. So the original blocks that EK sent me were the basic all black ones, which I didn't really like. And these ones were actually out of stock at the time. So now they're back in stock and that is why EK sent these in, which by the way, if you're watching, I love you, thank you so much. These are the ones I want to be using in my build, which honestly look way, way better than the other ones. And I'm gonna show you why. Wow, tell me that this is not a sexy GPU block, as opposed to just a black cover right in front of it. So this is the nickel plexi, and once I pour the liquid in, you guys can actually see it running through the GPU block, which is gonna look, oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. So yeah, 2 nickel plexi blocks for the graphics card, and I guess they sent in some more tubing because they probably saw my first water cool build and they're like, Ed, you suck at bending tubes. You're gonna need some more tubing. I'm just kidding. This is actually a different material. This is PETG. I think the one they sent earlier was acrylic, if I'm not mistaken. And these are just a lot easier to work with. So that is why they sent these. Alright guys, so this is something I purchased myself from Amazon. It is finally here. It's from Silhouette, and this is basically a printer. This is actually smaller than I thought. Wow. Okay, so basically the idea behind this printer is that once I hook it up to my PC, I can print custom stickers using this printer. I can design a sticker inside. I think that there's a software that comes with the printer, or I can use a third-party software and I can import it into the program and print it out using this printer. And the reason why is because I want to do more for my custom builds, guys. I want to do more than just plugging in parts together, maybe throwing in some custom cables. I want to do more modding to the actual PC. I feel like my builds are getting more redundant as I build them. There's really nothing special about them anymore. So I want to try and push the boundaries of what I can do for each PC build. And this is definitely one of the steps. I actually have a different box that I'm gonna unbox at the end of this episode, which is gonna really push my PC building to the next level. I'm very excited to share that with you guys. So yeah, anyways, that's what this is for. So this one is actually sent by someone that is subscribed to my channel. I'm not sure if it's a company or if it's an actual person. It's a big box and it's actually pretty heavy, so I'm curious what they sent me. This is from Marcella Lemus. Oh, which by the way, if you guys do want to send me something, whether you're a company or just someone who's watching a video and you want your product featured in this video or in the series, you guys can send me stuff to my PO box, which I will link below or written here somewhere. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm not accepting letters. I'm only reading those off the camera. The only things that I'm unboxing in these episodes are actual parcels, actual boxes. 10 things to know about your Google Home Max. Did somebody send me a Google Home Max? What? Oh my God. I got a Google Home Max. What? I've been watching these pop up everywhere. This is actually heavier than I thought. Wow. Okay, so this is basically Google Home on steroids. It's a massive speaker with Google Assistant built in. You can ask it what the weather is. You can see what movies are playing right now. You can have it play music, stuff like that. So yeah, and it's got better audio, of course. Let's check this out. Whoa, okay. Wow, this is heavy. This is nice. I actually like this color. I actually want to hook this up real quick, just to hear it. Okay, how do you turn this damn thing on? Okay.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
God damn, the bass is incredible. Oh man. I think I'm in love with this thing. Holy crap. And apparently I think it's like 400 bucks. Jesus Christ. That is very steep for this speaker, but damn, it sounds freaking awesome. Thank you, Marcella, whoever you are. I don't know what company you work with, but I love this speaker. Seriously, I've only had it for like 5 minutes and I'm in love. So thank you so much for sending this in. It will be put to great use. I promise you that. I don't even want to continue this unboxing anymore. I just want to shut this off and go listen to some more music. Damn, that was some good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Jesus. Oh, okay. So this is the power supply that Performance PC sent me, which is gonna be used with that giant box next to me, which I'll show you guys very soon. So I'm gonna put this aside for now. Oh, okay. I think I know what this is. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in this bag, I'm just gonna open it actually. We got some Thermal Grizzly. And this. It's upside down. This is what I've been waiting for the past few weeks now. They made its trip back from Steven over at Gamers Nexus. They went ahead and delid my processor. This is the 7980X 18-core processor that's going to be going in my personal build. So I sent it over to them and they went ahead and delid my processor. They even resealed it for me. So it's pretty much ready to go. All I have to do is pop it in and I am all set. They were even kind enough to include a chart basically showing its performance before and after the delidding process. And if you guys are looking closely, you can see a 14-degree difference before and after delidding the CPU, which is huge. Obviously, I've never delidded a processor before, and I wasn't gonna start now on a $2,000 processor and then end up screwing it up, which I'm sure I would have. So huge thanks to Steven over at Gamers Nexus for doing this for me. And I'll drop a link to their article as well as the video that they did on this processor and the delidding process if you guys want to check that out. All right, now then, let's move on to the finale of this episode, which is this enormous box. So this is coming from Matt over at PC Performances. And guys, what's in this box is gonna basically push my PC builds to the next level. And I'm excited to share this with you. Oh no, why? Why is there so much popcorn in here? Oh, I instantly regretted that. Christ. I just realized it's in my color scheme. I didn't even know you guys can do that. Dude, thank you so much. It's even got my logo on here in the corner. What? This is freaking awesome. All right, guys, so basically what this is, I don't know if there's an actual term for this, but basically it bends acrylic. So you put the piece of acrylic on here, then you would hook up the power supply to this. I don't know if it's based on a timer, but once it gets warm enough, you would basically, I think, lift up this portion or lift up this portion, and then you would bend the acrylic board into whatever degree you want. And that is basically what's gonna help me make some killer custom mods to the upcoming PC builds. So this is gonna help me do stuff like custom PSU shrouds, also modify some parts of the case where I can replace with acrylic, and just really push the boundaries of what I can do on my custom rigs. And this is definitely the next big step. So, because obviously there's gonna be a learning curve. But again, huge thanks to Matt from PC Performance for sending this in. I did pay for it, obviously, but again, really huge thanks to the custom work you did. This is really like personalized to me, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you guys enjoy these What's in a Box videos, tossing a like to show your support would be awesome. And if you guys wanna send me something, anything at all, drop a link to the PO box below as well, and I'll feature it in the next episode. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I love your faces. I can't wait to bring you some awesome content, and I will see you in the next video.